Hi everyone, welcome.
Hi everyone.
Today we got an unboxing for you.
Yes, and it's a special one at this. It's a lightsaber from ultrasabers.com.
You were talking about it in one of our videos,
in the last video, yeah. I've been willing to get one of these for quite some time. I'm quite a Star Wars fan, and it really looks nice on display. So that's why I wanted to get one.
It's a lightsaber.
It's a lightsaber.
But it could be a special edition or...
Yeah. Basically, this is a mystery box. So I don't know which one I'm getting. It could be any saber from their arsenal. It could have no sound, or with sound, premium sound, anything.
Okay.
So it's really a guess on what we're having here. It could be a standard blade, more detailed, I don't know.
I suggest we cut to the chase.
Yeah, let's use our pocket knife.
A pocket knife, yeah.
To open the box. This knife is really...
It's a prop.
Yeah, it's
fake.
Blunt. Hardly cuts into it. Yeah. But it's enough. There you go. So, let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put the box aside.
Yeah.
Alright, so the first items in here. Let's open it up. There's an Allen key to attach the blade to the hilt.
And we'll do a close-up for this.
Yeah. This is basically a light stopper. So you can put this on the hilt, on the handle. If you don't have the blade attached, it will diffuse the light so it doesn't shine too bright in your eyes. So that's that one.
Yeah.
And there's a business card, 3 of them. So one for you.
Oh, thank you.
And we've got...
From Ultrasabers.
Yeah, some, I would say... Yeah, some advertising.
Since 2005.
Not much special in
So
here.
they've been making them for quite some time now.
Yeah, 13 years. Okay. So that's all of that. Now let's unwrap
the lightsaber, yes.
the lightsaber itself.
Well, you were quite excited about it, so
I am.
that makes me quite excited as well. There you go.
Right.
Oh. Yeah.
This is one.
Yeah, we'll get to that in a bit.
This side as well.
So,
Alright, we've got the hilt and the blade.
yes.
So there's a protective cap over here that you can twist off and attach the blade. It has a soft top, so you to prevent damage of
I bet
anything
it's
you
sharper
hit.
than the knife.
I think it is, yeah.
Yes.
So that's quite nice.
That's one.
And this is the hilt. It says on here which one it is. It's a bit hard to read, the handwriting, so I really don't know. Let's just open it up, see what's in there.
Yes. Okay. It's metal, isn't it?
It's aluminum.
Okay.
From what or metal? I'm not sure. I think it's made from what they say. It's made from aircraft metal or aluminum. I'm not sure. So that's the hilt we've got.
Yeah.
It's a basic one, so it doesn't have any sound or anything in it. If it had, it would have had a paper on it saying that.
Okay, so this is the basic model we got.
This is the basic model.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one color. It's just aluminum color.
Yeah.
So it has some detail in the rings on it. Overall, it's not that heavy. It's quite light.
Yeah. Well, assemble it.
Yeah. So I don't know if they come with. Do they come with batteries?
I don't think so. What kind of batteries do we need? Oh, the batteries.
Batteries are inside.
Yes, so we can test it. Nice.
So that's good. All right. So let's put the blade on.
Oh yeah, sure.
Screw it under. I think it just screws on like this. Oh no, you need to, of course, loosen the Allen key on here. Is there one? Yeah, there's one. So you can slide it right in.
Yes.
And then you attach it.
It's quite big.
And it should be stuck in, and it is. It is quite big,
yeah. So the batteries.
Batteries are in. I don't know which color this is. We have to find out. So let's turn it on.
Ooh.
And it's
orange. Like-ish.
It is orange indeed.
Yeah.
It's quite nice. I like it.
It's our country's color.
Yeah. It's indeed.
It's a Dutch edition.
It is. It's not too heavy. It's quite nice. Maybe we can try and turn the lights off and see if that
yeah, sure. Sure thing.
That does anything to.
And how are we going to do that? You give me this.
I'll give you that.
I'll keep it safe. Wow, that's really dark. Cool. I have no idea. Does it focus?
Yeah, it does focus.
Well, this is quite nice.
It looks quite nice, yeah.
It does, yes. Too bad it doesn't make any sounds.
No, it doesn't make sound at all.
And it would be cool if it was RGB or something.
Yeah, they do have RGB, but it's it's an upgrade.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Right. Well, it's nice.
Yeah.
So it's for your collection, and if we put this filter on, or what is it, thingy?
We can have a look. I'll put the lights back on.
Yeah, you do. Well, okay.
Yeah. Right. So we've got this light diffusion.
Yes.
So if we put it on like this, get it even.
This thing on first?
No.
This
is for display, so you only put this thing on, and it will shine through and diffuse the light. You see?
Okay. Yeah.
So it's not too bright to if you look into it.
I don't know if it will focus, but it looks quite nice. It looks
like nice.
A torch.
So it's diffusing the light. Because if you wouldn't have had this on,
whoa,
you'd see it's like a very bright flashlight.
Shine into the camera.
I think that the camera won't pick it up. I think it will be blind for.
And they also warn that you
don't want to look into it.
No.
Because it's very bright, and you could be blinded,
yeah,
very badly.
Not good for your eyes.
It's a very compressed light bundle.
Yeah. Okay.
And it makes a very good flashlight.
Yeah, it does actually. Well, so I think it's nice.
It's really nice. Yeah, I like it. I think I might get
more of these.
More of these. Maybe another one. Maybe another mystery box.
Yeah, we can battle with it.
Yeah.
So I can see this is a collector's item.
It is a collector's item. Yeah.
Yeah. If you're a Star Wars fan like Chevy, then
yeah,
I totally get this.
Yeah, they are very strong, so you can actually duel with it. Like you can hit quite hard with them. They are quite strong without breaking them.
Don't say stuff like that.
But it's very nice.
Yeah, I like it. If you have any comments, suggestions, maybe some advice, please leave them down in the comment section. If you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Bye. Bye.